Comparing your company with the right public companies is one of the most important steps in valuation. In this video, we'll show you how to identify and select relevant public companies on fairvaluation.com that truly reflect your industry size and growth stage, so your valuation is accurate and meaningful. This is the public company data section. It covers more than 80,000 companies across over 90 exchanges. You can filter companies by country, entity name, entity symbol, exchange name, or exchange symbol. You can also filter them by industry classification such as basic materials, communication, financial services, and more. Once you've set your filters, simply click the Apply button on the bottom right corner to generate the results. A new window will open. Here, you can select the companies you want to use for comparison. On the right, choose the data fields you need. Each of these must be selected. First, pick the exchange symbol and name. Then, select the beta period and beta frequency. Finally, scroll down and click Run Analysis to generate the results. That's it. See you at the next step.